So guys, welcome to my channel how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, and you can see this is search button. Okay, and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860MH and then hit enter. Wait few seconds to open page. Then you can see this motherboard just open. And then click to support. Now select operating system which is using Windows 10. Both operating system driver installations process same. Audio driver, and you can see this is size and all. You can just click to download. It will click to download. After that, start downloading. So guys, I already downloaded. You can see 165 size, and just open and double click to exe. And then click to yes. Now this is installing the extract. After that, install. Now this is installing. Then it is done and close it. Chipset driver, extract interchipset processor processing driver, and click to download. And it is done. After that, just single click to open and double click exe. Then click to yes. Then it is done and close it. LAN driver, click to download. This is Realtek LAN driver, and just click to download icon. It will click. You can start downloading and wait few seconds to complete. So it is completed. Just open, double click to exe, then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Is automatically closed means this is installed. VGA driver. Say enter VGA driver and just click to download. Just start downloading. After download, you just open. Then double click to setup. And then close it. This is installed.